So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will discuss one of the good problem, minimum window substring. So let's discuss. Given a string s and t of length m and n respectively, return the minimum window substring of a such that every character in t including duplicates is included in the window. If there is no such a string, return empty string. The test case will be generated such that answer is unique. So you have to find the minimum window such that every character of a t present in a s, but it should be minimum. You have to be find out the you know the range that t character will be present in the s. So we will try to find out the minimum window substring of a t that is present in the s. So this problem we will solve, or basically the my recommendation will be solved by using a sliding window that will be more optimized and easy to solve, right? So let's discuss the solution that I have already coded here on my compiler. So we will visit there and try to understand the problem and solution in a good way. So here I have given like a string, right, that I have taken from LeetCode only, string t, and pass the parameter s and t. Here you will find a minimum window. So I have used a map data structure here to count the frequency of each character in t. So first you will count the frequency of a t, right? So as you have see that here t string containing the ABC. So its frequency will be counting like A will be 1, B will be 1, C will be 1. Sliding window initialization. For that I have taken a two pointer, that is left and right. We need only the size of the required should be equal to the t frequency. Means string, it should contain a frequency sizing as equal to t. Then we have the formed. In this we will store the s frequency. Means whenever we will see that the character of a string s will be present in the s, character of a t will if it will present in a s, we will increment the formed. So this is equal to number of characters that matches the frequency required. Here if the minimum length is equal to -1, result variable to track the smallest window, because we need to, because हमें सबसे smallest window return करना है, right? of जो भी कैरेक्टर टी में है वो इसमें होना चाहिए, बट फॉर दैट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू बी रिटर्न द मिनिमम सब स्ट्रिंग, and we have count this because we need the size of means size should be equal to string s. Perfect. Expand the window with a right pointer. So basically what we have done is that as you know, in the sliding window, whenever there is this is a type of you know dynamic, you can say, window, because we will try to return the window of s that containing all the character of a t, right? So in this we will expand the right until we count all the frequency present in a s of a t. So window frequency is here given, right? And we are putting every character of a s and counting its frequency to 1. Here we have defined the window frequency, and we also make sure that if a t frequency means if the string s frequency contain that s character, then count this, right? And also we have make sure that that the frequency of a t frequency value should be equal to the window frequency. If the window frequency is greater than t frequency or less, it will not count formed. Means we are making sure that as because the question is saying that string uh, t should be contained inside a string s. So we make sure that if any character in a s that matches with a frequency character in a t, then we'll count the form. Means because we only want that we have to return substring from AS that contain all the character of a T, right? So for that we try to be find out the frequency of each character present in a T and we try to find out also in AS. Suppose we have count we have suppose हमें जितने फ्रिक्वेंसी मतलब कैरेक्टर है एस का और टी का, बेसिकली जो भी टी के कैरेक्टर हैं या टी फ्रीक्वेंसी के अगर एस में प्रेजेंट है तो हम फॉर्म को एक काउंट मतलब अगर कोई भी एस की फ्रीक्वेंसी टी की फ्रीक्वेंसी अगर एस में प्रेजेंट है then we'll count formed 1, right? And we know that we have said that formed required is equal to size of the frequency, means required should be equal to 3. So if the form count is equal to 3, because as you know that the string is containing a ABC character, so whenever ABC character this, so whenever the T frequency or this form will count to 3, when it will count to or when it's, increase up to 3 when window containing the same frequency as a T frequency, according to this condition. Here is given if character frequency matches with the T frequency, then it will count. And when the formed is equal to required, then we will update the minimum window length. Initially minimum length is -1, so it is 2. It will come inside this and update the minimum length start and end, because this start and end we have to be returned. So we make sure that that start and end should be more optimized and it should contain a minimum window length that containing all the character of a T. Shrink the window from the left. So as you know that we have get every character of T inside a S, then what we will do is that we will shrink the window from the left so that we will get a minimum window substring length, right? So we will get again character is to character left, we will take that and from the S, and we will try to find out that we will put inside a window and decrement the frequency, because we all why we are doing this, so ये हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि विंडो स्ट्रिंग इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें मिनिमम विंडो सब स्ट्रिंग चाहिए, परफेक्ट. So that what we are doing is that we are decrement from the left and increment from the right until unless you get the minimum substring. यानी लेफ्ट से तब घटाएंगे जब हमें पूरी फ्रीक्वेंसी टी की इसमें मिल जाए, ठीक है. जब हम इसको यहाँ से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हो सकता है कि ए की फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 हो जाए, तो उस समय यह कंडीशन है कि अगर हमने विंडो फ्रीक्वेंसी डॉट गेट लेफ्ट कैरेक्टर अगर लेस हो जाए टी फ्रीक्वेंसी, सपोज अगर विंडो फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 था, भाई हमने घटा दिया लेफ्ट कैर में 1 को, तो उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 0 हो गई विंडो में, तो वो छुट्टी हो गई इससे, तो जो फॉर्म्ड 3 था वो घटकर 2 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हमें मिनिमम सबस्ट्रिंग चाहिए, मतलब मिनिमम विंडो चाहिए, राइट. सो ये इसलिए चेक करने के लिए हो रहा है ऐसा. और अगेन हम लेफ्ट को इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे और फॉर्म्ड 3 के इक्वल नहीं है, तो ये कंडीशन यहाँ पे फेल होगा और ये बाहर आके फिर से राइट को इंक्रीमेंट करना शुरू करेगा, राइट. So in this way it will so this is the one of the main, you can say, a logic to find the minimum window, right. So basically what we will do is that जब सभी कैरेक्टर मैच हो जाते हैं, जो भी एबीसी जो है टी में टी स्ट्रिंग में यहाँ से, तो फॉर्म 3 हो जाता है, ठीक है. ये टी फ्रीक्वेंसी डॉट कॉन्टेनर सी जो भी कैरेक्टर एस का है, और उस एस में अगर टी के सारे कैरेक्टर अगर हैं तो ये फॉर्म्ड 3 हो जाएगा. बट हमें तो मिनिमम सबस्ट्रिंग चाहिए, मिनिमम विंडो लेंथ चाहिए जो कंटेन करे एवरी एबीसी को, परफेक्ट. तो जब सभी कैरेक्टर मैच हो जाते हैं, लाइक वाइल लूप का उपयोग किया गया है ताकि हम जब तक फॉर्म्ड इक्वल टू रिक्वायर्ड होगा यहाँ पे, राइट, हम विंडो को छोटा कर सकें. फॉर्म वेरिएबल दर्शाता है कि वर्तमान विंडो में कितने कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे हैं जिनकी संख्या टी में उनकी आवश्यकता के अनुसार पूरी हो चुकी है. रिक्वायर्ड वेरिएबल टी में मौजूद यूनिक कैरेक्टर की संख्या जिन्हें हमारी विंडो में होना जरूरी है. फॉर्म इक्वल टू रिक्वायर्ड जब कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगा, होने का मतलब है कि टी के सभी जरूरी कैरेक्टर्स मौजूद हैं इसमें. यदि प्रेजेंटली विंडो की लंबाई लाइक राइट माइनस लेफ्ट प्लस 1 अब तक की सबसे छोटी है, राइट, अगर ये ट्रू है तो हम इसको अपडेट कर देंगे मिनिमम लेंथ को. इससे पता चलता है कि इस समय सबसे छोटी विंडो कहाँ से कहाँ तक है। एक एक कोड ये बताता है कि हमें अपडेट करना है मिनिमम विंडो लेंथ को, अगर मिनिमम लेंथ से छोटी है तो, राइट। फॉर्म वेरिएबल को अपडेट करना है यहाँ पे। सो बेसिकली यदि लेफ्ट कैरेक्टर वह कैरेक्टर है जो टी में मौजूद है, this one like a is present in a t frequency abc, right? Then t frequency dot contains की लेफ्ट कैरेक्टर विंडो में उसकी नई फ्रीक्वेंसी से कम अगर हो गई है, लाइक अगर इफ इट इज इफ लाइक लेफ्ट कैरेक्टर इज a from the age that we are getting, and window frequency we have subtract the a frequency from here, right? Then if it is less, like window frequency less than t frequency, then form will be subtracted as I have discussed earlier. फिर लेफ्ट को एक पोजीशन आगे बढ़ाना, अंत में लेफ्ट करके विंडो को बाईं ओर से छोटा करते हैं ताकि हर संभव छोटी विंडो चेक कर सकें। यह सेक्शन विंडो को छोटा करता है और यह दिखाता है कि क्या कोई और छोटी विंडो मिल सकती है जिसमें टी के सभी कैरेक्टर कवर हो चुके हैं, बिकॉज यू विल ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द मिनिमम विंडो सो दैट एवरी कैरेक्टर ऑफ टी विल प्रेजेंट इन द एस, राइट। अगर विंडो का आकार छोटा करके भी टी की सभी शर्तें पूरी नहीं हो रही है तो हम नल रिटर्न कर देंगे। This is the solution we have written here, like is the substring that is starting in +1, because as you know that in substring last index is not countable, so we have increment to +1 so that it individual also countable, right, inside the substring. We have written updating the minimum substring, it will according to the condition to update this string the window according to the condition. This is the major reason that we are updating, with this we are doing so that we will get the minimum window substring window length, right? So that, and also containing the every abc character of a t inside s. So thank you, and hope you like the video. Like and subscribe the channel, and share with your friends. Thank you, and happy and safe Diwali.